Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and I'll show you that the device comes with a charger brick inside the box. So now I'll check that. Here, as can you see, we got the black charger brick inside our device box, the original Motorola charger brick with all of the specs here. So as can you see, our device comes with the original charger brick inside the box by default. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.